guys, welcome back to my channel. I have taken some cards for you. Let's see what are the messages from the universe for you. Okay, we'll start with the tarot first. Okay, the first card is clashes. Okay, there is clashes, there are clashes, or there have been clashes. It could be either family issues, it could be either ego clashes. Okay, this person has lots of ego. This person is fighting with you a lot. Okay, with the Five of Wands here, conflicted disagreements in the relationship. Okay, you both were not happy. I think you are praying again, guys. See the five numbers. Okay, five is very important for you. I think you are praying to the universe to make things right. You have been praying to the universe that to get your person back in your life. I think there is separation also. I feel like there is big separation. Okay, oh my god, guys, triple five. Okay, definitely there is something to do with the five. Please go and check what is five is showing. Triple five angel number. Beautiful card here. I think you are manifesting to end the fight, and now this person doesn't want to fight. Okay, I think you both were losing each other. The fights were getting so heated that you both were getting into very mental kind of stress, where you both were having lots of problems. Okay, because you are giving up on the fight, this person is also giving up the fight, because you are losing your peace, you are losing the person as well, and the fight is not getting any solution. Okay, the fights are not getting any solution, whatever fights you are having. 555 triple five. I think it's all about stability, it's all about peace, it's all about a stable relationship. Okay, new beginning. You are on the right path, universe is showing you the right path. Okay, universe is helping you with the Hierophant card. You are spiritual, or you are praying for this person to come back in your life, or to make things right between you both. Okay, I think you're feeling trapped, you're not feeling good, you're feeling trapped in the relationship. You want to leave this relationship because it has been very chaotic, it has been very difficult for you to maintain the relationship or to give in efforts in this relationship. Okay, I think you both are not putting efforts to make things right, but you are praying instead to make things right between you two. There is no effort from your partner also to make things or relationship work. I think this person has gone into hangman situation, where there is no movement, there is no action from this person. Okay, let's see. But there is big chance that this person is coming with a new beginning in the relationship. Okay, Ace of Swords card. The clarity you are getting from this person very soon. Ace of Wands is all about new beginning. This person is going to give you mental clarity. There is this person wants to clear the misunderstanding between you both, or whatever misunderstanding that is creating the problem. This person wants to give you mental clarity. Okay, this person wants to talk to you and make things right, or clear the misunderstandings you both had. Okay, yeah, this person is thinking of to come towards you, because you have given this person lots of love, lots of care in the relationship. Okay, now this person is thinking of all the efforts you have put in the relationship. They are realizing that they did nothing to make this relationship work, they did not do anything to make you stay, or they did not do anything for this relationship. Okay, now this person wants to give you a new beginning, this person wants another chance in the relationship. Okay, I think after the Tower moment, this person wants reconciliation. Okay, I feel like there was a Tower moment between you both. I'm just hiding it. With the Lovers card, I think this person is coming back. Okay, six of, you have the Lovers card here. Something happened. Okay, I feel like this person went very arrogant, this person was not treating you right. Okay, this person was behaving very rudely, aggressive with you, a very cold behavior. Okay, they were just not giving you priority, they were not treating you right, but now getting emotional for you. Okay, King of Cups energy. From Swords to Cups. Okay, I think the lots of fighting. Can you see all the, if you see the swords here, it's down. You both don't want to fight. I think you both want to make this relationship work. You somewhere feeling that if this person is not going to approach me, or this person did not make effort, I'm going to go away. Okay, you are ready to already, how you free. Okay, you are free here, you can just release yourself, but you are not releasing because you love this person. Okay, with the Lovers card, you love this person, you want this person back in your life, and definitely this person is coming back. There is reconciliation happening, reunion happening. There is a long-term commitment. This person is returning with a long-term commitment. Okay, this relationship can also lead to marriage if you're planning for wedding or marriage here, because you have Ace of Swords. There it is new beginning in the relationship. Okay, and this person who was in arrogance, who was being like this person is all right and this person doesn't care about you and all that stuff. I think now this person is getting emotional for you. Okay, you have King of Cups energy. This person is thinking of you, missing you a lot. This person wants you back in the relationship. Okay guys, star moment, something happened. Okay, something happened which destroyed the relationship. Something happened, you both are falling from the tower. Okay, this was your tower you were building, this was your tower of relationship which has just fallen. Okay, you both are falling from this because of all the fights, all the chaos, all the drama, okay, that happened in your life. That's what I'm getting here. Okay, wow, Ace of Cups energy. Okay, definitely this person wants to give you, because I said like you have the Lovers card, you have Ace of Cups. This person is realizing that this person has done wrong. Okay, now this person is coming to give you love and emotions. Okay, there is lots of love and emotion flowing in the coming time. This person is returning back in your life to give you love, to give you to express their emotions, to make effort in the relationship. Okay, that's what I'm getting here. Okay, yeah, Death card, transformation card. This person wants to end all the pain. This person wants to end the conflicts between you both, wants to have a new and fresh beginning with you, a beautiful beginning. Okay, a new beginning. And I feel like the problems or the pain you guys are having right now, the chaos you are having, it's going to end very very soon. Okay, this person is making choice to come towards you. You guys could be in long distance relationship, or this person is staying away right now. This person is making a decision to come towards you, making a choice here. Okay, and yeah, because this person is juggling. Okay, this person is not able to make a decision. I think because of that also fight happened. Okay, you guys fought because this person was not sure what this person wants in the relationship. Okay, you want commitment, you want clarity, you don't want कि मुझे just take me for granted. Okay, you don't want this energy, you don't want to feel hanged here, you don't want to feel trapped, you want a clarity, you want that this person should give you commitment, love, okay, long term commitment. And this person is returning back with the Lovers card. Okay, very very soon this person will give you long term commitment. This person is coming to give you a happy life, because Ace of Swords is all about new beginning and happy life in the coming time. Okay, this person, King of Cups energy. Before, this person was in King of Pentacles energy. Okay, this person was so arrogant, so in ego, so much like passive aggressive and all that. But now I feel like King of Cups is all about emotion, missing you. This person loves you, this person wants to give you love. Okay, and King of Cups is like feeling for you. This person has feelings for you. Okay, this person will very soon will make decision. Okay, with the Two of Pentacles, this person is still juggling. Maybe this person's career, family, or there is some other person, but this person is thinking of you for sure with the Seven of Pentacles, making a decision to come towards you with the Lovers card. You are getting lots of love and emotions with the Ace of Cups that will be flowing in the coming time. This person is coming with lots of love, lots of offer to give you. It's your decision if you want to take it or not. Okay, you are praying, you are having affirmations, you are manifesting this person, and universe is listening to you. Okay, that's what I'm getting. Okay, let's see. I feel like you have unrequited love somewhere. Because of the Tower moment, you are losing hope. You feel like all the effort, all the chemistry between us has lost. You feel this way. Okay, but this person has romantic feelings. Okay, let's take this card first. Okay, you guys could be planning for engagement. Okay, this person is going to give you commitment. See guys, just below this there is commitment. Okay, your love life is going to grow to a higher level, and long-term commitment, that's what I'm saying. As I said, there is long-term commitment. Okay, your relationship is going to a higher level of commitment. Okay, this person does have romantic feelings for you. Okay, we'll put it here with the if you see this Ace of Cups energy, this person does have romantic feelings for you. Okay, your feelings are real and worth exploring. Okay, this person has feelings for you. You are waiting, you are manifesting, I think worth waiting for. Okay, divine timing. See, what did I say? Divine timing below the Hierophant card. Just trust the divine timing, guys. Okay, divine timing is worth waiting for. Past life relationship, you feel this way, this is a past life relationship. That's why I think you're not able to leave this person. You love this person a lot. Okay, and this person what did I say, make the effort. This person is making the effort, okay? This person is coming towards you. This person doesn't want to fight with you. This person wants to make effort, and very soon this person is coming with a romantic proposal towards you with the Ace of Cups energy. This person has romantic feelings for you, okay? But be careful of their red flags. Because of that the fightings were happening, okay? I feel this way. Because of the red flags, because of the negative traits, because of the negative pattern, आप इस person के साथ कहीं ना कहीं लड़ाई कर रहे हो, या ये person आपसे लड़ाई कर रहा है अपनी negativity की वजह से, ठीक है? But guys, beautiful reading for you today. I think this person is definitely coming. Please wait for the divine timing. 555, very important number, angel number for you. So you can go and check 555 also. And definitely this person is missing you, thinking of you, coming with a proposal, okay? Long term commitment. This person will make effort now. This person is going to come back with lots of romantic feelings for you. There is some offer that's coming with the Ace of Cups energy. You might be, okay, confirmation, you might be feeling that there is loss of love and passion and a spark in the relationship. No, this person is returning back, okay? 5 days are very important for you, okay? 555, beautiful number, beautiful angel number. Go and check out this angel number, and I'm going to see you in my next reading, guys. Beautiful reading for you today. I hope for reconciliation with the Lovers card, okay? And there is like big chance of reconciliation, higher level of commitment from this person, okay? This person does love you, and just wait for the divine timing. This was your reading, guys. I hope you liked this reading and resonated with it. I'm going to see you all in my next reading very soon. Take care, guys, and I'm going to see you all very soon. Bye, guys.